Find the integral of 16 over x to the 5 ln of 2x. So we've got 16 over x to the 5 ln of 2x dx. So by parts, now when you're using parts, when you've got ln, u has to be the ln part. So use ln of 2x, we differentiate that, we're going to get 2 over 2x, which is 1 over x, the 2's will cancel out. And then dv by dx will be 16x to the minus 5, because we've got 16 over x to the 5. And then if we integrate that, we're going to get minus 4x to the minus 4. If we've got minus 4 times minus 4, it gives me plus 16x to the minus 5, which we'll write as minus 4 over x to the 4. Integration by parts says the integral of u dv by dx will be equal to uv minus the integral of v du by dx dx. So u is ln of 2x, v is going to be minus 4 over x to the 4th, minus the integral of v minus 4 over x to the 4th times du by dx, which is 1 over x dx. Sorting this out a little bit, we're going to have minus 4 over x to the 4 ln of 2x, minus will make a plus, and we're going to have 4 to the x over 5, because x to the 4 times x dx. So that will be minus 4 over x to the 4 ln of 2x plus integral of 4x of the minus 5 dx, minus 4 over x to the 4th ln of 2x. Now, when you raise this by 1 power, it becomes minus 4. Okay, and it will get rid of that 4 there. So we're going to have minus x to the minus 4 plus c. Let's just check. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give me plus 4 at the top there if we try to differentiate back. And we take 1 for the power, we get minus 5. Okay, x to the minus 4 is 1 over 4. So we've got 4 over x to the 4, ln of 2x minus 1 over x to the 4 plus c. Common factor of 1 over x to the 4, we'll take and the minus sign, that means it becomes minus 1 over x to the 4 times 4 ln of 2x plus 1 plus c. So it's been a video to show you how to do an integration by parts involving a logarithm. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.